Iborn. Welcome to Travel SL YouTube channel. Today we have come to another beautiful place in this beautiful country that you must definitely visit in Sri Lanka. The place I am in today is the famous Bevis Garden. This garden was built by one of the famous and talented architect Bevis Bawa. Bevis Garden is located 100 kilometers away from Colombo and 10 kilometers inland from Bentota. Okay guys, before I continue my story, I would like to move further to go inside the park.
Tell me where you came from. This doesn't make sense at all. You've been by my side all along. Feels like we've been here before. Tell me where you came from. This doesn't make sense at all. You've been by my side all along. Feels like we've been here before. Taking over. I know you from some other world. Someone wake me up from this dream. 'Cause everything is not as it seems.
The hidden life story of the Bevis Bawa. Not that much beautiful, just like his gorgeous park. He was not an architect by profession and he was a major in the Sri Lanka infantry. It's a popular story that he didn't get the salary from the military because he had plenty of money. Later, he built a house and a garden in Kalavila village, Beruwala. So if you are interested in knowing about the life story of Bevis Bawa, the remarkable design of this garden, you can read my article about Bevis Bawa. If you are interested in visiting Bawa Garden, I have also put the Google location under the description. And don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Travel SL.
Tell me where you came from. This doesn't make sense at all. You've been by my side all along. Feels like we've been here before. Tell me where you came from. This doesn't make sense at all. You've been by my side all along. Feels like we've been here before.
years, and I've been living here in Sri Lanka for a year, and I
Okay.
still have 1 year to go.
Okay, so what do you think about Sri Lanka?
So I think Sri Lanka is a great country, especially for us which are not used to that kind of climate and the richness of the culture. So it's a beautiful country. I am definitely lucky to be here in Sri Lanka. Yeah.
So, and what do you think about Bevis Bawa garden?
I think it's a beautiful garden. So I love plants and I love nature. So it's
Okay.
definitely a good day to be here today. Yes.
And do you have any message to give world traveler who are willing to come Sri Lanka?
I think it would be a great opportunity to them to choose Sri Lanka for destination. It's a great country, and I am definitely very happy to be here, and I think
Okay.
they would love it as much as I like it. Yes.
Okay guys, now it's the end of our journey today. I think you have gained considerable knowledge about this brief garden. So don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can contact us through my Facebook fan page. Stay with us, Travel Sri Lanka with Sathya.